Today our teaching topic is sets introduction. Objectives. 1. Definition of set. Representation of sets. And vocabulary. Prerequisite knowledge. What does group mean? And what does the common property mean? Look on the screen. Observe on the screen, my dear children. Collection of same objectives or things or numbers is called a group. Let us observe a mathematical statement. Remainder is always less than divisor whenever a greater integer number is divided by a smaller integer number. The above statement is always true for every set of integer numbers. So we say this is common property of integers. Observe the given set of numbers and write down its common characteristic or property. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Group of even numbers. Isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8. Again 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are group of prime numbers. January, February, March, April, etc. etc. That is name of the months in a calendar. Now thumb, index finger, middle finger, little finger, group of fingers in a hand. Now set. A set is a collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule. The things in the set are called elements. Common rule decides the elements of the set. Such are well-defined collection, or in other words, a well-defined collection of distinct elements or objects is called a set. Set notation. We represent its name with capital English alphabet using braces, and the elements in small English alphabet were written inside the braces and separated by commas. Example, A is equals to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. No importance is given for the order of elements. Example, A is equals to 2, 9, 1, 8 or A is equals to 1, 8, 2, 9 are same. No repetition of the elements are allowed. Example, B is equals to the set of letters in the word school. Then B is equals to SCHOL. We can represent the sets in 3 types. One is list form or roster form. Second is set builder form. Third is Venn diagrams. Now statement. A set. A is the set of the vowels in English alphabet. In the list form, it can be represented as A is equals to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. In set builder form, X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. And in Venn diagram, let us first, we use any closed figure to represent a set. Usually circles is more convenient to represent a set. We can use either rectangle, parallelogram or triangle or a circle. But we are using circle, Venn diagram. Now let us discuss about the symbols we use in this chapter. We represent the symbol belongs for A is equals to 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 3 belongs to A. 3 is the element belongs to is the symbol, A is the name of the set. See, that does not belongs to symbol on the screen. Carefully, A is equals 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And then if 5 and A is given, 5 is not in the group of A, therefore 5 does not belongs to A. We represent null set with pi. Null set or empty set, S is equals to only braces, no element is there, that is equals to pi. Example, A is equals to x such that x is a natural number less than 1, which is impossible. A is equals to braces and no element is there, that is equals to pi. S is equals to x such that x is an odd number divisible by 2 is also a null set. We represent subset with symbol like C. And A is equals 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. And if we write 1 or 2 or more elements or all elements from that, it is a subset. B is equals to 3, 4 implies B is subset of A. A null set is also subset of A. A1 is also subset of A. And A 1, 2, if 2 elements are there, null set 1, 2 and 1, 2. How many sets are there? Subsets are there? 4. And if 3 elements are there, how many subsets will be there? Observe carefully. One null set, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. How many are there? These sets are 8. The number of n elements will have 2 to the power n number of subsets. Note, empty set is also is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Every set is also a subset to itself. Now let us have another example. A is equals to apple, banana, cherry. Write all the subsets of it. Null set, 1 apple, comma banana, comma set of cherry, comma apple, comma banana, apple, comma cherry, and banana, comma cherry, and apple, banana, cherry is also subset of A. There are 8 subsets, 2 to the power 3. We represent universal set with capital U or Greek U. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what might be universal set of it? The universal set of A is the set of natural numbers. U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. is the universal set of A. Now if B is equals to January, February, March, then what might be the universal set of B? The set of all months. January, February to December. Again, A is equals to 3, 4. B is equals to 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now, Venn diagram of A is subset of B. Now, B is the largest set which is having more elements and A is having some elements of B. Therefore, it lies inside the B. Similarly, if A consists more elements and B consists less elements, then we represent B subset of A and B will be inside A. Observe carefully on the screen. Yes, B lies inside A. That is, B is having some of the elements of A only. That is B subset of A. B is set with few elements. Subset is the symbol. And A is the set with more elements. Cardinal number, the number of the elements in a given set is the cardinal number of the set. Example, A is equals to 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. That is, we represent it as n of A is equals to 6. My dear children, observe carefully on the screen. Note down all the problems in your notebook and complete it. If you feel tough, you ask your class teacher.